Acumatica Construction Project Management. Construction project management requires coordination with varied roles throughout the project lifecycle. The project management module facilitates collaboration between the office, remote field workers, and all the roles involved in a project. Arm field workers with remote access to financials, customer activities, inventory status, and other key project details. Keep office staff in touch with job site progress in real time. Organize project management tasks and access related reports with a dedicated workspace. Empower all stakeholders with built-in collaboration tools for clear lines of communication from project bid to closeout. Executives and project managers use role-based dashboards to summarize construction project data with actionable drill downs into RFIs, project issues, drawing logs, daily field reports, photo logs, and submittals. The Project Management Workspace is the homepage for everything related to projects. This workspace is a quick way to access project tasks, such as requests for information. RFIs are used during the project to clarify contract information that may be unclear or missing. Ensure the project stays on schedule with complete visibility into each request from any mobile device. Configure RFI workflows to convert them into change requests and close them upon completion. In Acumatica, project issues track and report complications encountered on the job site. Unexpected issues must be addressed as soon as possible to minimize their impact on projects. Access from the main project management homepage makes it easy to investigate all project issues on the job site in real time from anywhere. Project managers and supervisors document project issues in the field, set priority levels, and quickly convert them to RFIs or change requests. With automation workflows, stakeholders can be alerted when an issue impacts the project schedule or budget. Another critical part of project collaboration is the drawing log, a collection of drawings and designs related to the project. Drill down into all drawing logs and filter them based on a specific project, project task, or other attributes. Create drawing logs in the field using any mobile device, and ensure office staff is notified when new designs are uploaded. Export or email the drawing log to the team and associate it with an RFI or project issue. Project managers and supervisors use daily field reports to ensure that project data is accurately transferred from the field to the office. Acumatica's robust daily field reporting gives field staff one central place to gather and review all job site activities so they can share information with other stakeholders. Record job site activities, observations, visitors, weather conditions, and other notable details for improved communication and fast issue resolution. A photo log is a tool where all project photos are saved and shared securely to document project progress. In Acumatica, mobile devices document photos of the project in progress. Like the other project management features, these images can be linked with a specific project or project task. View, upload, or drag and drop images to associate them with a particular project. A submittal contains proposed changes or details that require approval before implementation on the job site. Submittals must be reviewed and approved before materials are fabricated, purchased, or delivered to the job site. Expedite the entire submittal process. Track and approve submittals inside Acumatica to ensure the work follows approved specifications. Empower managers to review entries, enable submittal workflows, and close them when they are approved and completed. Acumatica's robust mobile project management capabilities enable seamless job site management. Acumatica partners with proven ISVs for advanced project management needs that enhance and complement the existing native features. Face all construction project management challenges with Acumatica, the best platform to support your business today, tomorrow, and for years into the future.